All right, guys. Just wrapped up this 2025 Ram 2500. It's got the 4-inch BDS radius arm kit with the Fox 2.0 shocks, with a 37 1350 20 Toyo RT Pro, and a 20x9 fuel Rincon plus 20 offset. It's got the Baja Designs XL linkable light bar. Really good looking truck. As far as clearancing goes, just had to clearance the plastic right through here and then right down through here on the mud flap. As you can see, this kit does come with the BDS front coil springs. It's also going to come with your rear coil springs, Fox 2.0 shocks, and then you got your BDS radius arms down through here. And these still do utilize the factory caster adjustments, as you can see there. Got the BDS Fox dual steering stabilizer. This kit's also going to come with your drop track bar bracket and drop pitman arm. That way it keeps your drag link and your track bar parallel and corrects the angles on those with a 4-inch lift. In the rear, you're gonna get your extended sway bar links, new coil springs, and your track bar bracket to raise that track bar back up so to keep your rear axle centered. And of course the Fox 2.0 is back here as well. All right, guys, that is going to be it on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.